Part A, Java Runtime Environment. Eclipse is a Java-based application that runs in the Java virtual machine. This requires us to download a Java runtime environment. If you plan on or are considering to program in Java, you should download the Java Development Kit, the JDK, instead. Link below will bring you to the Oracle's website. It's a personal preference for me, and I consider it a safe place to download it. I will be downloading the JDK because I have a need for it. You may choose either. Once it has been downloaded, we will proceed to install it. Part B, Compiler, MinGW. The next thing we'll be required to have is a compiler. This will take the written C, C++ source code and convert it into a binary form, object code. This can be used to form an executable file, a program. We will be downloading the MinGW compiler collection. This link will take you to the SourceForge webpage for MinGW. Or you can Google MinGW like I am and follow along in the video. Download the installer and then launch it. This will be an interface for us to choose which tools we want to use to program with. Leave the installation path as uppercase C:\MinGW. This makes it very simple. If you change it, you will have to use that path name later. MinGW warns you not to have any white spaces in the installation path name. We will be selecting the Dev Toolkit MinG32 Base, MinG32G++, and MSys Base. Click on each square that are next to the names. In the top left corner, click on Installation and Apply Changes. This might take some time. If it stops downloading, gets an error, restart MinGW and apply changes again. Once MinGW has been finished installing, we have to add it to the system variable path. Part C. Next, we have to set the system variable path. Alright, you need to be really careful here. You don't want to accidentally delete or modify anything inside this variable path. Now we have to get to the advanced computer options. Open up the Windows Explorer, not the Internet Explorer. Right-click on Computer, Advanced Settings, then Environment Variables. Under System Variables window, scroll down till you get to Path. Again, you need to be really careful here. You don't want to accidentally delete or modify anything. If it is highlighted, you can press right on the keyboard and it should take you to the end. If not, click in the text and hold the right key. Once at the end, enter in the path name of where MinGW is installed. If you're following along my video, it will be :/MinGW/bin:. Alright, click OK, OK, and OK. Once all the windows have been exited out of, you're going to want to restart your computer at this point. Part D, Installing Eclipse. Now that we have the environment and the compiler, we're ready to download Eclipse. Now, a common mistake is to search for Eclipse using Google, then click on a link that may be outdated or for the wrong language or platform. It's better to go to Eclipse directly. Go to https://eclipse.org and get the latest version from there. Click on Downloads, then on the appropriate Windows processor, either 32-bit or 64-bit. If you don't know which one you have, you can just select a 32-bit. It will run on a 64-bit system. With Eclipse downloaded, extract Eclipse to a destination of your choosing. If you want to follow the typical installation path of most programs, you can extract it to C:\program files, parentheses, x86, and parentheses, \Eclipse. Extracting it will not create a shortcut to your desktop or your start menu, however. We will have to go into the program files directory to create a shortcut and open Eclipse up. Once in the folder, right-click Eclipse and create shortcut. Click and drag this shortcut to desktop for easy and quick access. Finally, with all that being done, we can launch Eclipse. Eclipse is going to ask you to select a location where you want your workspace. Eclipse requires a workspace folder to have your projects in. It keeps what's called a metadata in there that has project and Eclipse configuration files. If this folder gets deleted, Eclipse will not know where your projects are. You will have to recreate the project folder. You can choose the default settings and it will work out fine. Eclipse will remember where your workspace is. Or you can set up your workspace to be on a USB drive, which most students end up doing. If you check out the Computer Science Society Facebook page, we do have a Git repository teaching you how to use Git. It is a version control system that would allow you to not have to use a USB, and you will be able to save all your code online and have it available at all times. Alright, once in Eclipse, click Create New Project, select C project. If everything is correct, MinGW should be in your toolchain selection box. Click on the Hello World project, name the project whatever you want, Hello World, and select the MinGW toolchain and click Finish. Save the project, build all, run it, and if it works correctly, you will have an output. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, please ask me in lab. I will be glad to answer any of them. Hope this helps, and let me know if you need any clarification.